Hello everyone, today we're going to be making some teardrop earrings. So let's get started. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, a mold that makes the teardrops, and we're going to be using the two center ones, tweezers, some scissors, 2 5mm jump rings, 2 fish hook earrings, flush cutters, chain nose pliers, 20 gauge wire, and of course we're going to need some dried flowers. These are the two molds we are going to be using, and I'm going to prepare the flowers for the mold by cutting off sections of them. Cut enough flowers for both of the molds. I'm filling the mold with UV resin about 3/4 of the way up. Now I'm going to be placing the greens in first, and I'm just tucking them in and up along the side of the piece. And I do one mold at a time. And now I'm taking these little fans, I'm not sure what type of flower it is, but it's like a little fanned out flower, and I'm just placing those in next. I had cut the flowers a little longer so that they fit from the length of the mold, so they're from the bottom to the top of the mold. Now I'm placing the little flower buds into each mold. Cure for 5 minutes and then turn it over and cure the back side for 5 minutes. Once that's done curing, we're going to work with the 20 gauge wire and we're going to cut 2 5-inch pieces of wire. And you'll need something round to mold it around, and I am going to be using a ring mandrel. If you don't have a ring mandrel, you could use a tube of makeup, like mascara, or like one of those little glass containers of glitter. That's a perfect size, and what we're going to do is just make this U shape. After you have shaped them, we're just going to pull the ends in together so that they meet. And it's just adjusting them just so that the 2 ends meet at the bottom, which creates a long teardrop shape. I'm now filling up the rest of the mold with UV resin, and I'm filling it to the top on each of the molds. And then I'm going to place the 2 wire teardrop shapes with the point facing down, and I'm going to hold them as I cure it with my light. I just want you to know I did one and I made a mistake. Luckily I didn't cure it for too long, and the other one actually went into the resin. So what you have to do is you have to hold both of them at the same time and then cure them. This is where I made the mistake, and luckily it went into the UV resin. And now I'm just curing it with the light so that it is secure. I cured it for 90 seconds. Now it's done curing. Now we can remove it from the mold. Sorry that I went off screen, but I was having a little difficulty getting the piece out of the mold. Once I got it out of the mold, you can see how pretty it is. And now I'm going to attempt to get the second one out. After learning how to get the first one out, the second one was a bit easier. Look how pretty they look once you get them out of the mold. Also, the loop on the top, if you'd like them a little smaller, you can shorten them up. Instead of the 5 inches, you can do 3 inches. Now I'm adding the jump ring. I'm opening it to the side, adding the loop of the piece, and then I'm adding the fish hook earring. And there's one done. And open up the next jump ring, always to the side, and then add that piece on, and then the fish hook earring, and they're finished. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, art, and my photography. Thank you again. See you soon. Bye-bye.